Hello, this video is a little demonstration on how to set up NetApp's Cloud Sync service. In 3 slides we'll briefly discuss what it is, how it can be used, and then we will set it up in a demo. Now, Cloud Sync is a simple replication and synchronization service to help you sync your data to and from the cloud or on-premises data centers. And it supports some of the major protocols like CIFS, NFS, and others, as you can see. To set up a Cloud Sync relationship, you need 3 players. First, there's the source, which can be any of the services from the previous slide. And then there's the target, which can also be any of these services. And finally, there's the broker, which is a virtual machine which will do the actual data transfer. And to get this relation to actually work, you can use a schedule that will perform the updates on moments that you want. Now let's see how you can set this up. Now, my source will be an NFS server, which may be in the cloud or on premises. Mine is in the cloud, but it really doesn't matter. And as you can see, I exported the /mnt NFS directory, and there are some files in there, file 1, file 2, and file 3 to be precise. Next thing we do is we go to cloud.netapp.com, where we can log in. I've already got an account, but if you don't have one, you can create one for free. And from the product section, we can select the Cloud Sync service. And when we go there, we see the sources and targets that we can choose from. My source will be an NFS server, so I simply drag it to the source. And my destination will be an Amazon S3 bucket, so I drag that to the destination. Now, I've already set up a broker in AWS. I can use this broker for all relationships I want to set up with regards to AWS. Then I enter the IP of my NFS server and select the one and only broker that I have in AWS. And it will contact the source to list the files that are available. I select the NFS exported directory and continue. Now I need to select an available bucket. Mind you, the bucket should be empty, and as with the broker, I also created a bucket to function as my target. Now I should select the storage class for my objects, and I'm going to go for the standard storage class, which is the most expensive one, but since I've only got 3 files and they're also empty, so I don't really care. And finally, I can pick a schedule, which would default to once every day. In this case, I decide to make a one-time copy. Now I don't care about the metadata and continue. Then I create the relationship, and it will start syncing my NFS files as objects to the S3 bucket that I selected. Now I've only got 3 files, so when I go to the dashboard, I see after a while my files, all 3, have been synced. So when I list my bucket content, I see the files have been uploaded as objects to my bucket, and I'm done.